Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Russian Easy, and this is lesson number 1 of Russian A1 course. And in this playlist, step by step, we will cover the entire Russian alphabet, basic grammar and a simple conversation. The Russian alphabet has 33 letters and we will learn it in 5 short videos. By the end of this series, you will be able to read real Russian words. Today we will start from the easiest one. It's letter A, O, K, M, T, and Y. So in Russian, like in English, we have upcases and lower cases. For example, A, M, M. The sounds is the same, but only size is changed. So let's start from the first letter. It's A. Repeat after me. A. And sounds like in a car. A. Car. A. And like example, it could be mama. The word mama. And please don't learn any words from this video. It's just like example for the sound. Mama. A. Mama, which means mom. Next one will be O. The sound O like in more. O. More. And like example, the Russian word could be dom. O. Dom, which means a house. Dom. O. Next one will be K. The sound like K in a cat, for example. Cat. K. Cat. Cat. Ka, which mean like example in Russian it's kot. Ka. Repeat after me. Ka. Kot. And next one letter is M. The M sounds like men. M. Men. And like example of Russian word could be moloko. M. Moloko, which means milk. And next one will be T. Repeat after me. T. And sounds like in the word top. Te. An example of Russian word is tomat. Te. Tomat, which means tomato. And the last one letter will be Ye. Sounds like in a word yes. Yes. Repeat after me. Yeah. And like example of Russian word could be yeda, which means food. Yeah, yeda. Good job, perfect. And repeat now after me all the letters. It's A, O, K, M, T, and Y. Good job. Let's practice some simple Russian words, and please remember, don't try to learn these words. It will be in the next videos. So just focus on a sound. And the first word will be mama. 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 M A M A. Mama. Repeat after me. Mama. Mama. Which means mom. Mom. Mama. Next one will be kot. 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 Ke. O. T. Kot. Which means cat. Cat. Next one will be tok. 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 T. O. K. Tok. Which mean electric. Electric. And the last one word will be jeda. Jeda. Je. Je. D. A. Jeda. Jeda. Which mean food. Food. Let's review. Today we learned 6 Russian letters. A, O, K, M, T, Y. Perfect. And great work today. And in the lesson number 2, we will look at the letters that look familiar but sounds very different from the English. It will be B, N, R, S, U, H, and this will surprise you. And don't forget to subscribe and follow the full playlist, and write in the comments which Russian letter from today's lesson sounds the most interesting to you. And спасибо, see you in the next one video. Bye bye, пока-пока.